brand new Albuquerque Rapid Transit buses arrive in the metro from Southern California, one after another. This after former Mayor Richard Barry said we'd be riding them by the end of his term, more than 2.5 months ago. I'm on one of 16 ART buses now here in Albuquerque, but 4 more are still waiting to join the fleet. After the buses arrived in the lot, I asked a spokesperson from ABQ Ride when full service will begin, something many of you want to know.
It'll be curious to see how it goes when it's finally working.
When that will be, ABQ Ride couldn't tell me and said I had to reach out to the city for any questions I had. I did, but the mayor's office never got back to me. But last month, Mayor Tim Keller spoke about all the issues ART is drowning in.
This project is a bit of a lemon.
He spoke about traffic flow challenges, design flaws, and mechanical issues with the buses like short battery life. I asked the bus's manufacturer, BYD, if the mechanical issues were resolved with this new fleet, but the spokesperson for the company couldn't tell me. ABQ Ride says they'll be inspecting them over the next few days. People I spoke with in Nob Hill say they still don't know why all of this happened in the first place.
Nothing was really wrong with our buses before this. I never found the buses to be in the way.
But some are embracing Central's new addition and will have to continue being patient. Now, ABQ Ride says the city will be addressing our questions at a press conference later this month, but the city never specified when that press conference will be. Live in Albuquerque tonight, Justin Matthews, KOAT, Action 7 News.